Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. The February showers are sure bringing out some beautiful spring flowers. So here's a few tips about spring flower gardening. As a general rule, annual flowers are used for mass plantings or accents around trees and entrances to create a blanket of eye-catching color. They are also used in color bowls and hanging baskets to decorate patios and around pools and entryways. Examples of these flowers are alyssum, begonias, celosia, lobelia, marigolds, petunias, and snapdragons. Year-round perennial varieties include dianthus, dusty miller, gazania, lantana, sunscape daisy, chrysanthemum, geranium, penstemon, and salvia. There are also very many colorful perennial shrubs that are great for the warm weather. These include things like yellow bush daisy, bush morning glory, butterfly bush, Mexican petunia, roses, and Cape honeysuckle. Some of these perennial flowers and shrubs may freeze back or go dormant in the winter, but can be cut back in early spring and will come back bigger and better the following season. There are also the hardy evergreen flowering shrubs like Indian hawthorn, pyracantha, abelia, rosemary, and star jasmine. Now is the time that these plants are performing their best, and from now through May is when they'll be at their peak. Use these plants as accents, spread around your yard to catch the eye, and use groupings of annual color to fill in empty spots, pots, and planters. Simply choose the right variety for the right location. Some prefer more shade and others more sun. Then follow our planting guide instructions. Improve the soil with lots of organic matter like pay dirt planting mix and starter fertilizer like Dr. Q's Gold Dust. Most varieties like good drainage and prefer ground irrigation like soaker tubing or drip emitters as opposed to overhead watering. Many also flower longer if old flowers are picked off and they are fertilized regularly with Dr. Q's Rose and Flower Food. Come down to the Spring Garden Show at your local Star Nursery and see what the colorful possibilities are for your yard. For more information, check out our free Star Notes number 300 and 310 at starnursery.com or download our free Star Nursery app on your smartphone. And remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.